you have the hiccups. Hey, yeah, I'm over here. Hi, buddy.
Yes. Hey, you hiccup machine. You hiccup anonymous.